Hello, good day, my future employer. I hope you will give me chance in working in your family. By the way, I am Cherry Ann Cortez from the Philippines. I am 31 years old with daughter. She is 7 years old now and a live-in partner for 12 years now. My educational background is I am a college graduate and I took up Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. I have an experience here in the Philippines as a helper and I work for a family of four, two adults and two kids. My duties there are taking care of the children, especially in sending to school and pick them up, and I also help them in their homework. But I also do household chores, which is cleaning the house. I do also the laundry, ironing, and sometimes I do the grocery. Second is I work in a family of three, two adults and a 6 month old baby girl, where my duties are um, mainly taking care of the baby, especially in feeding, changing the diaper, and take her to bath. And I also do the household chores, cleaning the house. I do the laundry, ironing, and sometimes gardening. That is my experience, and I hope you will give me chance. I am a very fast learner. I am very willing to uh, learn. Thank you and God bless.